Motorola's over-the-air space charging tech can charge 4 devices simultaneously. Oh, I'm into this.
You like this? You like the over-the-air charging?
Anything over the air.
Like true wireless charging.
Anything, you know.
So they have a video here.
We've seen other brands show this type of thing off. Motorola has now introduced an improved version of its over-the-air charging solution, which can charge up to 4 devices at the same time, even when they are placed up to 3 meters away. The updated space charging air charge station features a total of 1,600 antennas. It will pass through obstructions and provide a wider 100-degree area of coverage. It can only charge devices at up to 5 watts, which is slower, of course, than the best wireless chargers. But it's like, it's actual wireless, man. Your phone is just near it. I like it. Am I concerned? Maybe.
That would be my question.
That just all this power traveling meters. What if my body's the obstruction? I love it. I don't know. Whatever. I like technology. I can't help it. It's cool.
Whatever.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's cool. I'm sure, like, find a way to do it. Just scroll down, because there was another company that did this. I think it referenced it. Yeah. Xiaomi has showcased the Mi Air Charge solution. That was in January. And Oppo demonstrated wireless air charging tech alongside the Oppo X 2021 in February. So this is a race. They're racing for it. It's probably a little ways off, but I can't wait. Air power in the air, real air power.